Closer itu
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. My homage to the Lord Buddha and my homage to the Dhamma and the Sangha. So you asked today me explain cause and effect. This is the basic Buddhism explain in our life. Buddhism identified cause of suffering, dukkha. There is a suffering and there is a cause, the reason why we are suffering. That's the basic identified of the Buddha. So this is all over the world. People are suffering. So Buddha find out the cause of suffering. The second noble truth is the cause of suffering. Suffering and cause of suffering. So in Buddhism we explain the cause of suffering is craving, tanha, desire. Desire is the cause of suffering. And the third one is dukkha, samudaya, nirodha, the cessation of suffering. The fourth one is the way of cessation. Fourth one related to the eightfold path of cause and effect, paticca samuppada. This is the basic teaching of the Buddha, because we all experience our own experience that we are suffering. So we are looking for happiness. So happiness arises where there is ending of the suffering. So in Buddhism, eradicate all kind of suffering, all problems and stress, tensions, all these actually arise from our desire or craving to the world. And another word, upadana, cling to the world. When we are not clinging to the world, so there is nothing to suffering. So all these basic idea, concept explained in sutra. So the Buddha's first discourse is Dhammacakkappavattana Sutra. So in details it's explained how we suffering in each moment, each things, what is happening around us. So we suffering because we attach to the world. What we heard, what we say, all this is called dittang, sutang, mutang, viññāta. What we see, what we feel, what we hear, all we are suffering because we attach to what we hear, we attach to what we see, we attach to what we feel. So if we can develop our mind, not cling to the what we see, not clinging to the what we hear and feel, then there is a happiness because there is no attached to the, there's no clinging, no upadana. This is one way to eradicate our suffering. So this is actually our experience. Through our experience, we understand. So for some people, it is hard because many of them they think that this world is eternal and this is mine, this belong to me. This kind of what is called Sakkaya Ditti. This Sakkaya Ditti actually, another word, arise suffering. So without Sakkaya Ditti, without myself, only Buddha explained Dhamma, the four elements. What is the four elements in our life, in our body? Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayu. All these four elements. And Nama, Vedana, Sanya, Sankar, Vinyana. Nama, Rupa. The four elements, and these two is actually happening without our action. It's automatically happen. So why we suffering other? Because we attach to what is happening in our mind, what is happening in our physical body. So we understand, when we understand this mind and body, that's the one way to eradicate our suffering. At this moment, I think this short discussion good enough for to think of more further our life. So next time we will continue from here. So I wish you all to eradicate the defilement, keles, and to attain supreme nibbana. Sadhu, sadhu.
Lo subscribe y tú te inicies